Bitcoin did one of the biggest liquidation during last several days. That's a reason why all entire market get dropped. And at this moment, the most important question, what could be the next? Let's cover with you. I already prepared with you all trading plans with key areas where you should take trades at stop losses. It's why be with me. And let's discuss about all of this. First, as always, regarding BTC, what had happened? As you can see, Bitcoin was and still inside of this downward trend. Price retested VWAP since swing high, and price dropped nearly 6% from this entire VWAP. A main reason because too many people bought at high, and when too many people buy, price often go against them and take their stop losses. What we can do right now with BTC? At this moment, it's a little bit late for a short trade. Best place to take short trade would be around 98,237. It would be swing high, because as you can see, it would be this VWAP deviation range. Only at that place it is wise to take short. Inside in a range, it's not a good place, because at any moment there could be high. Even example for you, as it was here before actual reversal, what price did? Higher, and only after that dropped. And if you would take short inside, you would get many stop losses. That's why it is a key place for a stop loss, for a short. What about potential long trade? Honestly, after such significant liquidation, often price could compensate this move and start some rising. It's really possible, but it would be purely local trade. Honestly, you can possibly take such local trade. It would be mega local trade at 92,095 if price would retest it, and there would be some open interest trap, some open interest absorption. It would be possible to take local inside trade. At this moment, it's too risky. That's why, once more, key place for a short here. Inside, only possible local long, and better to do it if price creates some consolidation, take low, and after that you take a trade. Key place for a long where it is really powerful to take it. It would be around 83,811. It is entire range low. And second place, it is at the swing low, 80,624. Let's go to other top coins, discuss about them. Ethereum, key place for a short, 3303. It is this entire swing high. Of course, take it in a case of local confirmation, some open interest trap. By the way, I have a good news to you. For all of you who would follow me on my public Telegram, link you will find in the description. You simply open follow. We will send automatically to all persons that would follow on Telegram PDF manual about our strategy, what we will use as a confirmation to take a trade to make money. That's why I do it right now and get it absolutely for free. Once more, key place for a short on Ethereum, 3403. At this moment, once more, on Ethereum, we had the same quite significant liquidation as on BTC, quite significant volume spike. And by the way, on Ethereum, it's maybe only one coin where, as you can see, open interest build up again. That's why it's possible that there would be some more, as you can see, significant build up back. If price continues squeeze up, that could be potentially move up to cover all of this significant liquidation. From my point of view, it's really possible to take some inside a local long with such stop loss and such potential take profit. And key place for a short, once more, around swing high. Let's go to other top coins. On other top coins, we will cover only key areas, because it's not wise to trade them inside, because they create bigger volatility. Key place for a short on Solana, around 148. It would be this entire range high. Additionally, pay attention that Solana bounced really beautifully from 2.5 VWAP deviation of a range. And in this case, VWAP played out as a powerful resistance. Again, if there would be new retest, we could take a short trade. Of course, in the case of local confirmation. The best place for a long, around 117, 119. The next one, it is a Ripple. Friends, support me with your likes. That's really important. Ripple also did beautiful liquidation, and Ripple took back all these pumps that happen on Ripple. As you can see, massive liquidation. Honestly, often such massive liquidations become key areas where price do a reversal or start consolidation. From my point of view, minimum what Ripple can do at this moment is to retest VWAP and center of this entire area from which price started dropping. Best place for a long, of course, it is not here. Best place for a long if price would take lower low. It is 182, 181 area. It would be really wise to take long to cover all of this significant drop. Second place for a long, it would be 2.5 VWAP deviation around 173. VWAP often played out as a powerful support resistance, especially inside inner range. By the way, video about VWAP I will add into description. Hyper liquid. Price is still below VWAP. We still have this downward trend. At this moment, key area for resistance, it is 28. At this area, it is wise to take short. Until price below VWAP, look for a short. Only breakout above VWAP would start some significant up move. Without it, we are in a downtrend. BNB don't like today. Dogecoin took back all this entire pump, and at this moment, as you can see, took back entire pump. What about Dogecoin? Same as on Ripple, at this moment, there's quite significant chance for potentially some local rise. At this moment, key area for support, it is 0.1861. It is really good place for a long. And second good place, it is 0.10. Remember that in all cases, we will use local confirmations to take a trade. You don't take a trade immediately because it's easy to make some mistakes and some stop losses. ZEC. Remember, regarding ZEC, we discussed many times that this coin is going down. As you remember, I published this picture. I'm inevitable. Regarding ZEC, I still believe there could be some additional drop, but best place for a short only after a range, because price already did 25% drop, and you can see nearly each time before when we had quite significant drop, what they did, quite significant pullback. Don't get into a trap, because at this moment a lot of people could be liquidated, and short around 400 390 area only after a range. Second best place, of course, around VWAP, it is around 440 450. Wait for key zone confirmation and take a trade. And the last for today, let's discuss about Litecoin. Because if you remember, I wrote on my X page quite a lot of posts, and in my public Telegram, a lot of posts regarding Litecoin. What was major reason why we wrote about Litecoin? Because there was and there are still significant open interest rise on Litecoin. Often it lead to significant move. But main problem with open interest, if you choose wrong, if you choose direction of a move not correctly, price would go simply against you. And you can see even yesterday I published this post that price below this area of accumulation, and what they did, they failed to go up, because I had the beautiful long trade. Let me show it to you. I had a long trade where I had 1,300 USD of net profit with risk 500, and but my target were bigger. And as you can see, price hit my nearly break even. I got minus 200 with commission. Without commission, minus 165. In this case, everything looks like we chose direction on LTC not correctly, and because of that, we got stop loss. Regarding Litecoin, you should understand that at this moment, without coming back into value, it is risky to take a trade, because we can see that the reaction on a volume was clearly down and price did several stop loss hands. At this moment, without a clear structure break and coming back into this value area low, it would be risky to take a trade. That's why if you plan to trade Litecoin, best what you can do, wait for a structure break, fix above 75 or 90, and after that, you can take beautiful long. At this moment, simply set up alert here, wait. When alert come, you wait for some consolidation, 1, 2, 3 days, and after that, you take a trade. What you do right now, once more, you push like, go follow into my public Telegram to get PDF manual with our strategy. And right now,